channel of Sing Classes. Friends, since it is Sunday today, in the morning I read one very motivational story, and we all are free, so I think that I want to share that motivational story with you. I have seen that most of people nowadays they are that much impatient. So the story is basically based on those person who are quite impatient. They have no patience to do anything or to wait for the result. The story which I read, in that there was a man aged I think 23. Let us miss, because in Hindi it was written he was now Yuvak. So okay, so there was a young man and he was very much impatient, and he thought to do something creative so that he can prove himself in his life in front of his parents. He started doing his one business, and after 2 3 months when he saw that there was no profit at all, so he stopped that. And then again he went to his father and he said that give me some money and I want to start one another business which I have thought or it has just occurred in my mind. So his parents again they gave him money and he started again. So after 2 3 months again it happened that he didn't get any result or any desirable result which he wanted. So again he wind up all that business, and then he used that money which he has earned, whatever money it was which he has earned, and he borrowed some money from his father, and again he started one business. Then he continued for 2 3 months and again the result was not that much desirable. So he became very much frustrated and he thought that okay, I am good for nothing and this is useless to do any business. Okay, so he sat idle. When his father saw his condition, so his father realized that he need to be taught something, something new, or some miss one or two lesson. But he thought that if his father will tell any story or if his father suggest him anything, so as you know that when father suggests anything, so we always take it as a sermon, as a pravachan and all this. So his father took him to his own guru and narrated all the story. So when his guru means that saint, when he heard the whole story about that young man, so he said that okay, leave that that young boy, let him live here along with me for 2 3 days, and then you come and take your child back and he will be all right. Okay, then when he started living with his so called guru saint, so one day saint gave him 2 3 seed of mangoes and told him that you go and sow it in that field and let's see what result comes out. So he went and he showed that in field, and when he came back he saw that Guruji was worshipping. So when all worship finished, so it might have taken 1 or 2 hours, and when all his worship finished, so his guru told him that you go and now for my breakfast you bring 2 3 mangoes and you pluck 2 3 mangoes and bring it for me. So that young man got surprised that just Guruji gave me 2 3 hours before, Guruji gave me that seed of mango and I have just sown it in that field, and now how can this much quickly that it will bloom and it will bear the mangoes or the fruits. So but he didn't say anything or he didn't argue. He simply went and saw that there was nothing, it was normal. So he came back and he said that nothing happened Guruji, it is normal. So Guruji said okay, and then they all took their lunch and slept. Then in the evening when it was tea time, so they were taking tea, and after taking tea after 1 or 2 hours, then Guruji again reminded him that now it is too much, now miss a long time has passed, now you go again and pluck 2 3 mangoes which we will eat in our dinner. So again he got somewhat, because he was impatient, he got somewhat frustrated, and then he again went, but he didn't argue, because as we know that in front of Guruji we have some miss, we have to behave ourselves. So again he went and without, he knew what will be the result, and then he came back again. So he said that Guruji nothing happened. Then Guruji said okay, and when it became at night, so Guruji last said that oh, I got very much frustrated, since morning I have been trying to eat the fruit of or the mangoes of that tree, but it is not coming. So then again he said that okay beta, last time you go and check, otherwise I will I will give you another seed to sow. So he, because that boy was already impatient, so he started saying to Guruji that Guruji, you are that much intellectual, that much intelligent, and how can you behave such kind of foolish thing, because just in the morning I have shown those seeds and you are expecting fruits or desirable result this much quickly. Even it is possible, just you think you are my Guruji and it doesn't look good that I teach you about all these. At that time, instantly, Guruji smiled and said that as you are teaching me, can't you teach yourself that whenever you start any business, you always, without investing time, without working hard, without giving it time to grow, miss, for your business, how can you expect a desirable result? And when you give only 2 3 months and you start expecting lakhs of rupees, and as a result you start thinking that my business will flourish this much, that I will be a millionaire or billionaire. So the thing which you are telling me, can't you follow this thing in your life? And instantly that boy understood that what his teacher wanted to teach him since morning. Then after 2 3 days when his father came, he saw his boy completely changed, because till then that boy had understood the moral of that story. So friends, by narrating this story, I want to tell that when we want to learn anything or want to do anything, so first requirement is first our patience and the investment of time. We have to give proper time for any work or for any fruitful work, for any business, for study, or for what that we have started. And with patience, when we do hard work and we give some time, so we will get desirable result. So I want to tell at last to you people that if you want to learn English, so it is not possible that you just joined, you started watching 1 or 2 video and you will learn all English. So it is just next to impossible. Same thing, like if you are watching only 1 or 2 videos, or you are only thinking that okay, these all are bullshit. No friends, it is not bullshit. If you give proper time to anything, of course result will come. Only this I wanted to tell. Okay, today it is proverb time. So let's see which how many proverbs I have brought for you. Well friends, it is written proverbs and I have written muhavre, because one of my students said that madam, ye proverb, Indian conversational sentences, what are all these? So I want to tell that proverbs, it means मुहावरे, and Indian conversational sentences means भारतीयों के द्वारा रोज की बोलचाल भाषा में बोली जाने वाली बोले जाने वाले वाक्य. So friends, I have brought 6 proverbs for you, because as I have already told that when teacher gives lots of homework, we try to avoid, we think that okay, at last I will learn. So I am trying to give you a little bit so that you can understand, you can get it and you can learn it also. So my first sentence is that, which is somewhat funny also. शैतान का नाम लो शैतान हाजिर. When we all friends get together and start talking, and 1 or 2 naughty friends they are missing, so we always think about them and we always talk, and if he comes, so most of time or generally we say that oh god, shaitan ka naam lo shaitan hajir. So this I have taken, this sentence I have taken from that, because with my friends sometimes we also do so. So it is in English, talk of devil and he appears. Talk of devil and he appears, it means शैतान का नाम लो शैतान हाजिर. Talk of devil and he appears. Well friends, next sentence और next proverb, मेरी बिल्ली मुझी से म्याऊं. मेरी बिल्ली मुझी से म्याऊं, and this sentence is generally used by teacher, otherwise by some dominant student, or sometime by our father also. So मेरी बिल्ली मुझी से म्याऊं means my pet dog will bite me. My pet dog will bite me. Sometimes we also use this sentence when we think that somebody is dominated by us and one time he revolts, so we always say that oh meri billi mujhe se म्याऊं, so my pet dog will bite me. And third proverb is that guru gud rah gaye chela chini ho gaye. This is very much common friends among Banarsis. So this word generally say that ka guru, like guru guru rah gaye chela chini ho gaye, so this one is for that. So disciple overshines his master. गुरु गुड़ रह गए चेला चीनी हो गए. So disciple overshines his master. These are the 3 proverbs. First sentence, first proverb is that शैतान का नाम लो शैतान हाजिर. Talk of devil and he appears. मेरी बिल्ली मुझी से म्याऊं. My pet dog will bite me. गुरु गुड़ रह गए चेला चीनी हो गए. Disciple, friends, disciple it means शिष्य. Always remember that disciple overshines his master. Disciple overshines his master. Okay, now we will talk about 4th number proverb, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाना. दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाना. Otherwise we sometimes say that okay, पापा को आने दो, वो सब दूध का दूध पानी का पानी कर देंगे. Such kind of sentences we generally say. So this word, this sentence has been taken from that. दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होना. So to make everything crystal clear. To make everything crystal clear. And then fifth number proverb, kabhi gaadi naav par, kabhi naav gaadi par. This we generally say that don't worry, like today if you are up and I am down, so don't worry, time will come for me also, and then we will see. So sometimes we say this, kabhi gaadi naav par, kabhi naav gaadi par. So sometimes days are longer, sometimes nights. Sometimes days are longer, sometimes nights. Okay. देखा देखी पाप, देखा देखी पुण्य. देखा देखी पाप, देखा देखी पुण्य. So society modes a man. Friends, here modes it is given, it means साचे में ढालना. So society ही किसी व्यक्ति को साचे में ढालती है. Meaning is that देखा देखी पाप, देखा देखी पुण्य. So society modes a man. So दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाना. To make everything crystal clear. कभी गाड़ी नाव पर, कभी नाव गाड़ी पर. Sometimes days are longer, sometimes nights. देखा देखी पाप, देखा देखी पुण्य. So society modes a man. Well friends, you will take a screenshot when I will move from here. But as I have been giving many proverbs, and till now you people might have written so many proverbs. Now you count how many it will be. Near about 20-25 it might have been. So cram it, learn it properly. And if you miss any video of this proverb or Indian conversational sentences, so whatever descriptions are given at last on my channel or on my video, so through its link you can go through that also. Well friends, if you like all these things, whatever content I am trying to give or whatever I am trying to teach, if you like, so please do subscribe my channel, view, like, comment. And for those students who are showing me all the answers on WhatsApp and on FB, I would request them, suggest them to show each and everything in my comment box on my channel, so that I can view and answer all of them at one time. Well friends, stay at home and stay safe, and have a good night, and thanks for hearing.